Well, it has been progressive in terms of the mix that you have, in terms of the areas that you've covered. I could say that it can get even more specific to the professional side of, the challenges that are faced by women in the professional front, rather than, just as them as gender-based, not just gender-based, but professionally how the challenges that they face and the solutions and the takeaways. Maybe a little more focus on that could be there. But I have noticed that compared to last year and this year, the kind of positioning women have got through this initiative that you've taken of bringing women from various sectors, the unique thing about your program versus what we have in NASSCOM or FICCI is that you have covered a large variety of verticals, which is very uncommon. I mean, you've got recognition from various parts of the industry where the normal impression is that women are very few in leadership roles. But you've negated it because you've shown so many women in leadership roles that we have to think again whether we're really a minority or not. But otherwise, the event has been very well managed. You've done very aggressive marketing, I must say, because you've not let us go. In fact, I was not going to be attending this, and if not for the follow-up and the urging, which is probably what leaders and even budding leaders need to be pushed into the forefront.